Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. For your general energy, career situation, and relationship, Libras, we'll be picking few cards, guys. So these are the cards for your general energy. These are for your relationship, guys, Libras, and I'll be picking three more cards for your career situation, guys, and one card from the Crystal Spirits Oracle. So this is the card. I will turn the card at last, guys. So let's start with your general guidance, Libras. It is the Magician in reverse, Temperance, and Ace of Moons. So these cards may relate to your relationship or your career situation, guys. So in your situation, Libras, today things are going well. Maybe in certain things, you are tasting success in something. You have that, what to say, a harmonious outlook on life today. So you have that balance in your situation. You are finding that balance. You are calm and composed. Today you know what you need to do today. Maybe for some of you, you may have some stressful circumstance. Maybe people are trying to exploit you, make use of you in some ways, and you don't know what you need to do today, guys, Libra. So some kind of difficulties are there in your situation. So there is someone who is quite imposing. They are quite an imposing figure. Maybe it may be your sibling, an older sibling, your friend, or your mentor in work. So someone whose suggestions and ideas you cannot overlook. That person is leading you in some way. It may be a wrong decision. You know that, but you are unable to voice out your true emotions to them, true feelings. So some kind of manipulation is also there in your situation, guys. But whatever is the situation, you have that balance and serenity in your heart. So no matter what your situation is today, you have that peace of mind, guys, Libras. The reasons may be because there is some kind of good news coming today, some positive news. It may be something in your career, maybe a new opportunity knocking your way, or a new offer of job, or something new, a new path opening in front of you for your career, or it may be a new person, or this person you are already in connection with. They want a more deep relationship. Maybe they want engagement or marriage with you, and they want to start a family with you. That may also be the energy here. So we will get more clarity with these cards, guys. We will see what are these cards for your relationship first. So we have Master of Moons in reverse, then Nine of Suns, and the Moon. So with these cards in your relationship, in this connection, in this love, you may have some kind of intuition guiding you, guys. So something may tell you what you need to do today, and you feel you are guided in a particular way. Maybe you have that inclination towards something, and just like what to say, that the tidal forces, you are pushed towards something today, guys, in this relationship. So sometimes you may feel a particular way, overwhelmed, quite emotional when you are with this person, having feeling inspired and feeling great, that a great feeling, that good feeling is there in your heart when you are with them. But sometimes you feel stressed and depressed. So the reasons may be because of that. You may be quite emotional today, guys. That is what I see. The cards here, especially this moon card, it shows that you will be very emotional today, Libras. And also in this connection with this person, maybe they feel this way, maybe they are quite emotional when you are there with them, or you feel quite emotional. And maybe this person, maybe the way you behave or act, this emotional side of you, they may feel really, what to say, some kind of worries. Because of that, they may see you as a weak person because of the way you are, way you show your emotions. So you need to, if that is true in your situation, guys, if you are quite emotional sometimes, you need to keep a check on that, guys. And they may feel that you are not being honest, you are not being true to your emotions. Maybe you are just acting it out, maybe the way you are expressing your emotions. So you have to go for moderation, guys, Libras. That is what I see with these cards for your relationship. So let's see what are these cards for your career situation, guys. We have Ace of Suns, the Sun in reverse, and Fortitude in reverse. So in your situation today, guys, maybe in your career, you have people trying to make use of you in some ways, and you are quite impatient and really stressed. Maybe you are expecting some things to come in your situation, maybe some results for projects or whatever you are doing. And whatever is coming, you are quite unhappy and you feel you are not feeling that content. So impatience and anger is what I see for y'all, guys, in your situation. Maybe things are not going right, but you are getting some opportunity in your situation today, guys. A beginning, maybe some offer or some path to that new offer, something is coming in your situation that is simply going to take you towards that greater potential for success, and you're going to feel confident with this new offer. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your reading. So let's see what is the guidance, the crystal spirits guidance for you all. It is Seriphos green quartz. So the energy with this card, guys, is that this card stands for maybe live life on your own terms. So maybe whatever you need, when you go for that, when you go for your truthful motives in your heart and work for that, you will be very successful, guys. So that is what this card is about. So when you are true to your motives in your career, and the same way in your relationship, when you are ready to open your heart to that truth And when you live that truth, you will be more successful. And that is the reading for you all today, guys, Libras. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.